Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this porridge beans with corn, but it's not a must you put corn. You can cook your beans plain without corn, and you can use yam to cook yours. So let's get right into the cooking. I've been soaking these beans for over 1 hour, so I just divided it into two. I'll be using half for the porridge beans and the other half for moi moi. Once it has boiled down, I will sieve it out and rinse it like the normal way you rinse your rice when parboiling it. After rinsing, add a lot of water to the beans and start cooking it till it is tender before adding the ingredients. Allow it to cook for at least 30 to 45 minutes, but keep an eye on it so that it doesn't boil out. As you can see, I've opened the pot a little bit, the lid of the pot, because it started boiling out. I'll be removing the cover of the pot and put my magic cover. With this, it will not boil out. As you can see, there is opening here, so that's where the steam will be coming out from, just like so. And once you notice the steam is no longer coming out or the bubbles, it means that the water has reduced to an extent, so you just have to check the beans. Now the water is no longer coming out, so I check the beans. It has boiled down. Then I press it and notice that it is soft and tender, just the way I like it. Now I'll be adding the onion and the pepper. You can add a lot of pepper as you like. I will be adding sweet corn and some palm oil. Then I follow it up with some curry powder. I add a little bit of salt. Just add salt to taste. Then add your seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I'm making use of Knorr seasoning cube. Give it a stir. Then check for salt. If you need more salt, you can add by this stage before you cover it. But at this stage, I decided to add a little bit of crayfish. I don't normally add crayfish to the beans. I don't like crayfish a lot in the beans, so I just added a little bit, but you can skip it. Then I covered and cooked for at least 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Then it is ready. Give it a stir again to make sure that it has cooked very well. Don't worry about the little water in it. It will still dry up. After a while, it will soak up in the beans. And this is how it is looking. So yummy, and you can eat this alone or enjoy it with gari or pap. Bye.